embeera ye ennaku eziyise yagenda eyongera okwonooneka n'aleetebwa mu ddwaliro. Yali yatereera n'addayo ewaka ng'awona mpola mpola, naye embeera ezze egenda esajjuka. Yaleetebwa wano mu ddwaliro era abasawo ne batugamba amu n'abazadde ne famire nti tumeke sure nti abantu tebajja kumulaba kubanga embeera gye yali alimu nga kimwanguyira okukwata infections, okufuna infections. So kyovudola abantu bangi abadde baagala okujja okumulaba naye nga ne famire tekkiriza kubanga twakikanyako badokita nga batuwabudde soke tumuleke ayinza okufuna infections ez'enjawulo. Olunaku olwaleero twafunye essimu okuva ewa maama wa Seggirinya ng'atubikira mbaka Seggirinya n'atugamba nti munnaffe afudde. Era amawulire ne gayitingana ne tujja wano mu ddwaliro, tuzze ne tusinkana abasawo ne tugendako mu ICU okulaba munnaffe. Kye tulabye era abasawo kye batunnyonnyodde, abasawo batugambye nti Honorable Seggirinya mu luzungu ali kye bayita brain dead, nti obwongo bulinga obufudde. Organs zonna zishatinze down, zisirise, naye omutima gukyakubamuko akatono. Yes, ali ku machines ezimuyambako n'ebirala. So batugambye nti organs zonna zishatinze down, naye omutima gukyakubamu akatono, ezi machines ezimuyambako. So kati abasawo bo batugambye nti bo nga bo tebayinza kudeclaringa oba okwanjula nti Honorable Seggirinya afudde. Olw'amateeka agabafuga ng'abasawo babagamba kasita mubanga mukyalimu ka heartbeat ako kakabe katono katya, machines baba bazirekako era nga tebasobola kudeclaringa nti Honorable Seggirinya afudde. So weewaawo maama bwe babimunnyonnyodde byonna byonna ye ng'alabira ddala omwana we afudde, kwe kutukubira n'atubikira. Naye abasawo twabadde tubasabye batunnyonnyolemuko ne bagamba nti bajja kubeerawo wano, era tulina Sister Dr. Grace nga yaliwo ng'akulira eddwaliro, the medical director era yakiikiridde executive director w'eddwaliro. Batunnyonnyodde yes, Honorable Seggirinya embeera gy'alimu mbi nnyo, obwongo busirise, organs zisirise, naye mukyalimu ka heartbeat ako. So bo nga bo tebagenda kwanjula eri eggwanga nti Honorable Seggirinya afudde. Olw'amateeka agabakwata ka heartbeat ako ke kakyalimu. Kye tusaba bannayuganda naddala abantu b'omu Kawempe North, Honorable Seggirinya gy'akiikirira, twongere essaala Katonda gy'ali era akyakola ebyamagero, era abasawo batugambye nti bisobola okubeerawo kyamagero. Kye tusabira mu kaseera kano eyo update gye tulina. We got news from the mother of our colleague, the Honorable Muhammad Seggirinya, that he had passed on. Honorable Seggirinya was brought to this hospital, Lubaga Hospital, a couple of days ago. His situation had become dire. He had over time stabilized, and so he was on and off. When he got dire, he was brought to hospital here for proper attention. He's been in ICU, and when we engaged the doctors told us, together with family, to make sure that people don't come to see him, guests and so on, to avoid him catching infections because he was in a very critical condition. So he's been that way for a while. His situation has been deteriorating for the past couple of days. And this morning, the doctors told the mother that he had become brain dead, and almost all his organs had shut down. In fact, all his organs had shut down. And of course, that's what now, through the mother of balance, she got in touch with us and told us that Hassan, the Honorable Muhammad Seggirinya, had passed on. We rushed to hospital. I was able to access ICU together with Comrade Lewis Rubongoya. Of course, other leaders did join along the way. But the interface we had with the doctors the doctors have told us that what still is in place is a very slight pulse because he's on a vent, he's on a machine. So yes, he's brain dead, all organs have shut down, but there is still a small pulse. And according to them, professionally, it would be unethical to declare him dead on their end when there is still that pulse. So they are saying they can't give us any hope. They don't know what the day will be like by close of day, but they're also saying they're not good. So professionally, they're saying because of that small pulse, even though he's brain dead, organs have shut down, that very small pulse, aided by the vent and so on, does not allow them as professional medics to declare him dead. And so they have said that's why they are not communicating as such. Of course, the mother was thrown off balance, and that's why she did reach out to us to give us that very disturbing news. So the current status quo, as per the doctors, is that yes, he's brain dead, organs have shut down, but there's still a very small pulse. We asked them, are you giving us hope? They said, we don't want to give you hope, but they said they're not God. God can perform a miracle. That's what the doctors have told us. We requested them to be with us to be able to communicate this, but they said they will be with us because the executive director is here,
Sister Dr. Grace.
Sister Dr. Grace, who is the acting executive director, but she's the medical director. So she told us she might not speak, but she will be with us because she, together with other doctors, that's the brief that they have given to us. Our call to the people of Uganda, and especially the people of Kawempe North, which he represents, is let's keep praying for him. The doctors are saying he's in a very critical condition, brain dead, organs shut down, but there is that small pulse, aided with the vent and so on. And so professionally on that end, they're saying they cannot at this point declare him dead. So let's keep praying for Honorable Muhammad Segirinya, even though yes, medically they're saying hope is it's a fairly grim picture, but there is God in heaven. That's the update we can give for now.
Uganda. Honorable Senyonyi and the other officials who have been able to visit the patient who is critically ill. He is critically sick. What I can say, he needs our love, he needs our prayers, though we cannot declare him dead, but he's critically sick. Thank you so much. Uganda waffe mulwadde nnyo era yetaaga okwagala kwaffe, yetaaga esaala zaffe. Tumwongere esaala, ffe abasawo tujja kuba tubatuusaako buli ekigenda mu maaso kubanga era tugezaako okukola ekisoboka. Mwebale nnyo.